Product name: banana connector. Material: metal, plastic. Color: red, black. Size: 3.7 by 0.8 cm, 1.45 by 0.3, L*D. Weight: 32 grams. Package content: 10x banana connector. Top reviews from the United States. Good for the price. Work exactly as expected, good for the price. No soldering required. Just insert the cable and tighten the screw. No need to remove the screw. Works. Worth it. Item was exactly as described and worked great. Great connector pieces for your wiring and speaker needs. It's a great connectors for all of your speaker or connector needs. May not be gold-plated, but they work at a great price. They work and they fit a 12-gauge speaker wire, so I am happy. Very good. I was surprised I got exactly what I needed. They worked perfectly. I would buy more.